In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Notion. If you're looking to streamline your daily to-do lists and want a reliable way to keep track of tasks that need to happen repeatedly, you're in the right place. Now, let's dig into the process, and I'll guide you step by step to make sure everything's clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to start by opening your Notion app or visiting the Notion website and navigating to the page where you'd like to manage your tasks. This space needs to be well organized, as it will help you quickly locate your tasks and manage them efficiently. Feel free to browse some templates if you need some inspiration to get started. Once you're in the right place, create a database if you don't already have one. For this example, we'll create a task database. This database will serve as the foundation for your recurring tasks. In the top section, click on Add a Page and choose the option to create a database. Give your database a relevant name, something like Tasks or Weekly Duties. With your database set up, it's time to add essential properties that will help you track these tasks effectively. First, add a Name property. This is where the task's title will go, giving you a clear overview of what needs to be done. Next, consider including a Date property. This is crucial for scheduling, as it helps you set and adjust deadlines as needed. You'll also want a Checkbox property. This will be a handy tool for marking tasks as complete. Now that your basic structure is taking shape, the next step is to add a Formula property. This little feature is a true game changer for automating recurring tasks. Within this property, you'll be crafting a simple formula. The formula should be structured so it can check the date and, when the task is checked complete, automatically move it forward by a set interval. Example, for a weekly task, you'd calculate 7 days from the completed task's date. After your formula is set, take a moment to review your work and ensure that everything looks just right. Look out for any property name typos or logic errors in the formula. This review process can save you time and headaches down the line, so it's worth the few extra moments. Once you're confident that everything is set up correctly, you can begin using your new task system. Add tasks to your database, schedule them, and check them off as you go. With everything in place, you'll find that managing recurring tasks becomes smoother, and you can spend more energy on the things that truly matter. That's it for this guide on creating recurring tasks in Notion. I hope you find this system as useful and intuitive as I do. Keep exploring Notion's features to further optimize your productivity, and happy task managing.